A very good afternoon. Today I am here to explain the human heart. So before starting the human heart, first we have to study about blood vessels. There are mainly three types of blood vessels: artery, veins and capillaries. Artery are the blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. Capillary carry both type of bloods, as it makes connection between arteries and veins. But there are some exception in arteries and veins. In artery there is one exception, that is pulmonary artery, which carry deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary word stands for lungs. As the clearing of deoxygenated blood occurs in lungs, so the vessel which transport the deoxygenated blood to lungs is the pulmonary artery, which is an exception, as artery carry only oxygenated blood. Then after clearing of the blood travels to the heart so that it can pump to various organs. So there is a exception, as veins used to transport deoxygenated blood, but there is an exception, that is pulmonary vein. It transports oxygenated blood. So as we all know that there are four chambers of heart. So it is my right hand. So where is my right hand? There I will write left side, and in my right hand side we will write left, and in my left hand side I will write right. So it is left atrium and it is right atrium, the upper two chambers. It is left ventricles, it is right ventricle. And there are some cuspids. There are some valves which stop the flow of blood, or it makes the pumping of blood smooth. This is tricuspid. And it is bicuspid valve. As I said, from the body parts, the used blood, that is deoxygenated blood, comes to our heart through these tubes. This is superior vena cava, this is inferior vena cava. The blood comes from the body part and it comes to right ventricle. Then it travels through tricuspid valve to right ventricle. As we can notice that right ventricle can also pump the blood back to the heart, but to the right atrium, but due to this tricuspid valve it travels only unidirectional. As after pumping the blood from right atrium to right ventricle, the cuspid closes. After right ventricle, the blood pumps through pulmonary artery, as it is an exception, it carry deoxygenated blood. It goes to lungs, as it goes to lungs. That's why the name of artery is given pulmonary artery, as the word pulmonary itself means the lungs. Then after going to lungs, it comes back the lungs purify the blood. Then after coming back from the pulmonary vein, which is itself a exception, it enters the left atrium. Then with the help of bicuspid, it goes to left ventricle. Then after that, through aorta, it again goes to all body parts. So this was an explanation of the human heart. Hope you all like it, and thank you.